Hello, my name is Shelby Grams. My father, Jay, is currently out of the office as he has trigeminal neuralgia, which is a painful nerve in the face, but he says the show must go on, so I'm going to give you my best impression of this 1958 Chevy Cameo. All of the pictures and information is on our website at volocars.com. Now here we have a fresh body off-frame custom build Cameo by Legendary Customs. This is a rare Cameo. It had premium custom upgrades from the factory, and only 1,405 were made. That's being said, 1958 was the lowest production year. And although it has been completely modernized with an updated driveline, it still retains its amazing vintage appeal. You may ask, what is a Cameo? Well, my father just gave me a little lesson on them, so I'm going to share it with you. Back then, trucks were strictly looked at as workhorses, used strictly just for work. The Cameo was literally the first luxury truck, a trend that is stronger than ever today. A GM designer sketched up a real decked out version, and the executives loved it, knowing it would appeal to a well-off buyer. Upgrades include a custom smooth side bed made from a relatively new product called Fiberglass, and it also had a very stylish tail end, upgraded hubcaps, interior appointments, and so much more. And with all that being said, join me and let's go for a spin. This truck has a $12,000 metal cab by Premier Street Rods. The gaudy emblems were removed from the hood and fenders for a much cleaner look, which I personally like better. Everything looks very clean on this truck, and looking down the side, it has straight rust-free metal. Special fiberglass panels that were made at the same plant as the Corvettes gives this car a very smooth look that is flush with the cab. It is painted in a tri-coat white pearl with fun red accents, and the white paint is beautiful. It has a smooth, glossy finish, and in back it has 54 Bel Air taillights and a unique tailgate. The front is decorated in a lot of glistening chrome, and this was the first year for quad headlights. The moldings down the bed give space for a nice red accent, and the rear bumper is pulled into the body. A big wraparound window in the back, and it has a great lowered stance sitting on staggered wheels. They are Ridler 5-spoke chrome wheels that look to be very nice and wrapped in GoodYear performance tires. Now let's go check out the inside. The original bed is what really makes it a Cameo. The unique tailgate has the latches hidden on the inside and uses a retractable cable system. Inside is pristine metal with high gloss red paint, and the floor is refinished oak with polished stainless strips and a flush mount fuel filler. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified as the next video is posted. Looking at the interior, keeping its original flavor, it is refinished red and white like the original. The seat and door panels were also reupholstered to be like the original. The Cameo also included carpet and visors, and this one is also carpeted behind the seat as well. All the interior metal was painted very glossy, has updated digital gauges on the dash, and it even has a Bluetooth retro stereo that fits in the factory hole. Has speakers molded into the kick panels. There's also vintage air that was cleverly incorporated with electric climate controls into the original style control panel. Vents had been neatly installed under the dash. The restored original wheel is on a tilt column now, and a custom console was made with handy cup holders in place. Look what we have here, a Blueprint Crate LS 6.2 liter motor making 535 horsepower. It has aluminum heads, custom intake manifold, and air intake tube. It uses a set of stainless headers, and it has a standalone wiring harness for engine and trans. The front of the motor has a polished CVF runner system, all billet brackets and pulleys with a serpentine belt, mini polished AC compressor, polished alternator and power steering in place, and it runs cool with a big polished radiator with a polished shroud and overflow bottle. An electric fan pulls the air through, and the engine bay is clutter-free and painted gloss white. It has a power brake system on the firewall and new hinges as well. Up front, it has new independent suspension system with tubular control arms, Viking coilover adjustable gas shocks, rack and pinion steering, and in back is a 4-link with tubular control arms and Viking coilover adjustable gas shocks. All polished stainless dual exhaust with MagnaFlow muffler and turn down tips. Has disc brakes on all 4 wheels, a custom fuel tank by Tanks with internal fuel pump. And looking up at the motor, it is spotless and has a high torque starter. It has a 4L60E electric overdrive automatic trans, heavy duty Ford 9-inch rear end, and the floors are immaculate, metal painted in a durable chip guard. Bottom of the oak slats are refinished and the frame was stripped and powder coated. Everything is new under here, down to the nuts and bolts. We inspected and serviced this truck, and we repaired the turn signals, straightened the carpet, adjusted steering wheel, and installed horns, and we also repaired the dash lights. We fixed brake lights as well and adjusted the passenger window. We also adjusted the door striker and tightened the mirror. This isn't just another custom truck, it's a Cameo. Not many people will have that bragging right, especially 1958. It's a fresh built by a high-end shop and has all the features you want, including that LS motor. And thanks for watching.